In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix age restrictions problem on YouTube videos. There are some videos on YouTube that cannot be watched unless you are an adult. Adult means 18 years. Now, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. In this video I will show you two methods. One of these methods will solve your problem. So, first try the method number 1. For this, open your YouTube app. Now tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. Now tap on General. Scroll down. Here you will see Restricted Mode. Disable this option. Hopefully, after doing this your problem will be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, try the second method. Go your YouTube homepage. Now tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Now tap on Personal Info at the upper row. From here, tap on Birthday. Now here, you have to select an age which is above 18 years. One thing you have to keep in your mind: you can only watch age-restricted videos on YouTube if you are over 18 years of age in Gmail account. So, now select an age which will be above 18 years. Then tap on Save. Well done. Following these two methods will definitely solve your problem. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you face any problem, then please comment on this video. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. That is all for today. Thanks for watching the full video.